My name is Mark Ross, and I'm the ranch manager at the Danni Ranch. The Danni Ranch is on Highway 135, just north of Gunnison, Colorado, heading towards Crested Butte, Colorado. It's a private community with 19 35-acre parcels on the ranch. And this is one of the few ranches that has a full-time ranch manager in the Gunnison Valley. And what that means is I'm here, even if it's a second home, to take care of your homes or alarm calls or anything that's happening on the ranch. I'm here to take care of it. The best part about the Danni Ranch is the setting. It's in one of the most beautiful places in Colorado. We have the Crested Butte ski area above us, about 10 miles away. We have the East River that flows through our ranch, which is private for just the homeowners and their guests. We have National Forest at the back part of the ranch that the only way you can access is through this ranch, which would be just for homeowners and their guests also. Plus you have good shopping and so on and so forth in Gunnison, Colorado. This East River is some of the most premier fishing there is. We have a private fishing pond on the ranch, and if you're a hunter, there's a lot of areas off the National Forest behind the ranch. The setting is just panoramic. Everywhere you look, you have views, and it's just one of the best places on earth.